Well, these rocks are a lot prettier. Yeah, they are. I'm going to tell you why. I finally got some iron out. Finally. This one was so ore stained. You can still see a little bit in there. But the quartz in there is gorgeous. It's beautiful. Where's that big one? This one was thoroughly covered and ore stained, and now you just get to see all the beautiful quartz in it. Everywhere, every shit, look at that, every pocket, every shape, everywhere there's a quartz. Occlusion? I'm not sure if that's the right word. It could be. I don't know. Anyway, they look like little but they're neat. So I've never used the iron out. Everybody encouraged me to buy it, but I just couldn't afford it till now. Yeah, and Walmart finally had some too. So there's another quartz line. Here's another one. These were very heavily ore stained. And I really can see the difference. This one was bright orangish red. And look at it now. It's just got a neat little crust on it. And it doesn't look nearly anything like what attracted me to pick it up in the first place. That's all right. It's okay. It's neat to find what really lays underneath all the ore staining. And I'm understanding a lot more about quartz. Quartz is a part of almost every rock. I know. I do know that. It's just neat. And it's neat to me to figure this out. So, thank you, everyone, for continuing to watch my stuff. Do appreciate it. I seem to be getting a little more people that are explaining things to me, which is extremely helpful, rather than just calling me stupid, because I'm not stupid. But anyway, yeah, thank you. Thanks. This is really neat. I had no idea that dark rock was under there. I thought it was a different material. No, it's just, yeah, it's neat. Look at that. That's neat too. All right. Very cool. Thanks for continuing to support the Minty Cactus channel. I really appreciate you guys. One of these days, I'm going to turn some of you into rock hounds. Have a great day.